Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you have not watched the previous video of this series, then please do watch to gain the maximum benefits from this course. In previous video, I have taught all the Hindi alphabets. In this video now, I will tell you about Matra of Hindi. If you find it useful, then please do like and share with your family and friends. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of my upcoming videos. Now let's learn Matra of Hindi. A matra of Hindi is called vowel diacritic in English. A diacritic is a symbol added to a letter to give it additional sound. Example, you can take k. K. K is a consonant. E, vowel. And ki, this what we call matra, diacritic. Matra is like vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U in English. Matra produce sound. As there can be no word without the vowels, there can be no word in Hindi without the matras. So hope you get the concept of matra. So now let's learn how a word forms in Hindi. Word we call akshar in Hindi, swar, vowel. Vowel we call swar in Hindi, sign we call matra. So how a word forms? Consonants plus sign equals to letter word, means consonant plus sign makes a word in Hindi. Vyanjan, consonant, vyanjan, sign, matra, letter, word, you can say it is called akshar in Hindi. So let's take another one example. K plus matra of E, double E, E sign. So it makes ki. It adds the double E sound with the K. So K becomes ki. So that's what the matra makes a change with the any alphabets of Hindi. So now first I will teach you all the matras. After that I will teach you all Hindi letters with matras called Barah Khari. Simultaneously I will teach you formation of Hindi letters, means how we can write Hindi letters easily. First let us learn A. So now let's learn how we can write A. For this first you have to make like this. You can say reverse C. After that I will teach you separate. First step was this, then again with this, or you can say you have to make 3. After that, after making 3, you have to add a sleeping line to this. After doing this step, after sleeping line, you have to make standing line. And then you have to use sleeping lines. So this is what our A. So see one more time. First this, then make 3, means first this, then sleeping line, then standing line. So this is A alphabet. Now let's learn about the matra of A. A. Matra of A is like this, standing line with sleeping line. So this is the matra of A. So when we use matra of A with any Hindi alphabet, it will change the sound. Now how matra of A is used? Let's take example K. K we can write K or K-A. K. So this is with little pressure, this is with little more pressure. K. With matra of A, it becomes Ka. K formation I will teach you afterwards. So here I am just giving you example how matra of A changes the sound of any alphabet. So here K, and we applied matra of A, standing line, sleeping line, it becomes Ka. Now let's take another one example, G. G we can write G-O-G-A, G. Now we are adding matra of A to this G. It becomes Ga. So matra of A changes every letter sound by adding A sound at their end. So this is all about the matra of A, and today we learned about the formation of A. Now today we learn one more matra and the formation of one more letter E. First let's learn how to write it. Then we'll learn its matra. So now look carefully how we can write E. First, little standing line, then with this little standing line you have to make C. After that, what you have to do, see, again I am doing like this. So after this step, what you have to do, you have to just turn and make a reverse C like this. So after that, again repeat this step, this and this. You can see little bit difference, it's small and it's little bit big. After that, what you have to do, you have to just turn it like this. Now sleeping line, so this is what our E. So again I am telling, look carefully, little bit standing line, C, then turn it, and then you have to turn like this and sleeping line. So this is E alphabet in Hindi, E. Now let's learn about matra of E. How we apply matra of small e with any alphabet. Standing line, sleeping line, and then we have to do like this. So this is called the matra of E. So let's take example for it. K. Again we are taking K with matra of E. It becomes, so how we have to write K. So look here how I have written here K. This is K. How we applied matra of ki, E like this. So it becomes ki, Ki, ki. Let's take another example. G. G becomes gi, gi. That's all about this video. In next video, we'll learn another alphabets. Then whatever we have learned in this video or previous video, please do revise it. And please don't forget to like and share my video. Meet soon in next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.